What's up everyone, Crypto Maker here, episode number 2, here to help you guys make more crypto. So let's get down to business. We're going to be using stake.com, and if you guys can't get access to the site, of course, get yourself a VPN. I suggest Surfshark, link is below. Just connect to a server here and you'll be able to get access to this gambling casino website. Alright, hit up Stakes Original. Let's go to Roulette. Alright, so I'm going to show it to you guys first how I do it. Then we're going to get into the spreadsheet. We're going to increase my bet. And then we're going to run it again. And we'll see how much profit we make. So first off, here's how it goes. I do 2 on 1. 2 on 16. 2 on 24. 2 on lucky number 28. 2 on 33, and then we're gonna do 10. See, usually I would do 40. If I was able to put a 40 chip in the middle, it would put 10, 10, 10, 10 around, but we can't do that on this roulette table, so we're just gonna do 10 like this. And on these 4, 10. These 4, 10. These 4, 10. And so forth. Cool. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 ways to lose. That's an 82.2% chance of winning. And the cool thing about this is that, alright, I'm going to turn on instant bet, turn off animation, put my graph up. The cool thing about this is we can run this on auto. Right? So we're going to reset every time we win. When we lose, I'm going to increase it to 250. 250%. It's pretty easy. So you're only going to win when it hits the 10s. If it hits the 2s, you're going to lose roughly 70% of what you bet. But the algorithm will continue to increase by 250% if you don't make profit. So even if you hit this, it'll increase it to 250. Now let's run this for a couple minutes here. I'll be chilling here. I'm gonna fast forward this as it runs, and then we'll see how it goes. Let's go. So this big dip here, you can see we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We lost 5 times and 1 on the 6. That isn't worst case scenario yet, because worst case scenario is I lost at the 6 and I won at the 7th. So we're still good. Let's keep going. Alright you guys, so we hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we won on the 7th here. There's a big dip. Yep, so that we hit worst case right there. 6 and 1 on the 7th. 0045 was the big bet. 0045, there it is. To get all this back. Okay. Let's keep going. Alright, you guys, it's now been about 30 minutes, and see, right before I stopped it, we hit a little streak here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we won on the 7th. Wow, right at the end. So we've made 246,000 betting at 25. So let's go to the Excel sheet. I'll show you how it works, and then I'm going to increase my bet. I'll probably play with Tron or something. Got a little bit of Tron to play with. Alright, so here it is. It's called the Rumplestiltskin. It's modded for crypto. Here are the instructions. It tells you what to bet on. You got 82.2%. Now, I think it might be a little less, because it's 82.2% if you're only thinking 0, 4, 9, 12, 13, 21, 25, 36. That's 82.2%. But remember, you also lose 30% if you hit these single numbers. So you're still losing. You lose 70% of what you bet if you get these little numbers here, the 2s. So I don't know. I don't want to calculate it, but this is the win rate around there. We're multiplying by 250%. This is where you guys edit, like always, just like the other video. So the highest bet I ever got was 6, lost. 7th is the win. Part A is right here. Part A, bet X on each number. So 1, 16, 24, 28, 33. It tells you to bet 2. Part B, right, you're going to bet X times 5, which is actually 2 times 5, and you get 10. So you're going to bet 10 on each of these numbers here. Didn't know how to explain it in writing, but it's this, you know, it's the quads here. You just flip up and down, and that's how you cover the board. And here, this is how much you're gonna need to cover 6 losses and 1 win. You need at least 0.007, right? And if you guys want to be safe, you guys are paranoid, you can come all the way down here or whatever. I mean, I hit this twice during this 30-minute session, so I wouldn't be surprised if it went to here or here. So maybe play down here. I don't know, but this is how far I've gotten. We're gonna play with Tron. I'm gonna run it for an hour. So let's see how much Tron I have in this crap. I got 187. Alright, so here's what we do. We're gonna do this. Since we already have this template up, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna multiply this. I'm just gonna double it. Just double it to whatever, 128. Okay, 128. Let's try putting that into here. 128. Okay, so at 128, worst case, and if I'm gonna lose, yeah, I'm gonna lose down here. So I have enough for 8 losses and winning the 9th. Should I do it? Should I run it? Should I run it? Fuck it. I'm gonna run it. So every roll is gonna be 128,000. I'm gonna bet by 10,024. So let's see. Is that correct? Yeah, 1,024 on the 1 chips, which is here, 1,000. Yep. So then it'll go up 250%. It'll go up 250%. It'll go to 448. Alright, let's just do it. Let's clear this up. And alright, I'm running with Tron. Higher value. We're going to run this for an hour. It is 6:42. I'll be back at around 7:42. You guys could just watch me, I guess. I'm just gonna be here with the webcam on, just watching Twitch or paying my bills, doing other things while this is running. So let's see. Start Autobet. Remember, keep this on reset, right? You want to reset when you win. You want to increase 250. Let's go. So let's see. If I lose, it should go to 448. There we go. We're good. All right. I'll leave this on and we'll see how much we make in an hour. Holy moly. 5488. Okay. Alright, you guys. It has now been about an hour, I think a little more. Where are we at here? We're at 2.85 profit. And it seems like I'm never gonna lose, you know? I don't know. Well, I do have enough to cover up to 10, so. Alright, you guys, so just take this Excel sheet. It's located at the bottom, hosted by AdFly. Just click skip ad at the top right, and you guys can edit this section here. You could also edit this section just for fun. It's a USD part. Look how much money you're gonna need. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to play this on the tables, but it's just there for reference. I'll be updating the sheet every once in a while. Just follow, watch the video clip. I'll put the updates down in the comments, down in the description below if I need to update anything. But this is pretty much it. You know, you can bet whatever ratio here that you want. Just start off with that 2 and the 10, and then build your way up, and then make sure that you've got enough to cover that amount that you're betting, and you know, you can let it run. It's on autopilot. And yeah, let me know if you guys ever reach 8 or ever reach 9. It's kind of hard to see, especially if you have it on auto. Like I have it on 10 losses, so if it's on auto, if it reaches 8 or 9, the only way I will know is if I sit here and watch it, because it's not showing on the graph, because the graph gets really wide, because really the graph gets shrunken down, it gets squished down, because look, we've got 1,770 wins. Yeah, we've done almost 3,000 games, 3,000 rolls here. We made 2.86. So you're betting this could have been in Ethereum, this could have been in Tron, it could be in anything, but just don't be too greedy. Play it safe, play it down here. If you want to be a little risky, just stay around here, but make your profit and get the hell out. Come back the next day, come back in a few hours. But the most important thing is this is a strategy and a method for you guys to collect some crypto. Just collect it. I know this is 2.86 Tron, that's like 10 cents, right? Whatever. But if I deposit like 10,000 Tron, right, I can increase my bet, and this can go up a little bit faster. But do I need to? I don't know. Maybe I might do that. I might just do that. I mean, I also have Bit Theory, which I have a lot of Tron in there. This here is where I test my strategies and do a hard test on it, and then I give you guys an update on how it works. I create this Excel sheet for you guys, so stick around. I've got plenty more roulette strategies to freaking try out, run a hard test on, and analyze and show you guys where you can make money. It's not, you're not gonna overdo it. Like, you're not gonna make like 1,000 Bitcoins in a day. You're not gonna make one. You might make 1,000 Satoshis. You might make 100 Satoshis. I mean, it's not much, but you gotta know that the value changes over time. So yeah, you look at it now, you're like, oh, I only made $1 the whole day. But yeah, that's what somebody said with Bitcoin, like, 10 years ago, 8 years ago. And that dollar now is worth like $10,000. So there's a lot of room to grow. Just collect Bitcoins. Don't worry about the USD value. Use this strategy. Use it to your advantage. And click the link below. Get yourself a VPN. Sign up for stake.com. My referral link is at the bottom. And download the Excel, and you guys enjoy. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. End. Jeez.